Today, I'm at Daiso finding everything you need to start junk journaling on a $40 budget. You truly don't have to spend a lot to begin this hobby, and I'll show you exactly what to buy. Hello, welcome to Sambookery. All through December, I'm creating beginner junk journal kits from different stores to show you how affordable this hobby can be, and I'm giving each kit away to one of you. Stay tuned to find out how to enter the giveaway. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you've been here for a while, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate your support. Since it's December and the season of giving and gratitude, I wanted to do something a little different this month to thank you all for the support, kindness, and encouragement you've shown me this year. So, for all of the Fridays in December, I'm putting together beginner junk journal supply kits using affordable items from different stores and giving one away in each video. I also want these videos to show beginner junk journals that you don't need a big budget to get started. Junk journaling doesn't have to be an expensive hobby, and you can create something beautiful with simple, budget-friendly tools and supplies. Today's kit is from Daiso, and I'll walk you through everything inside, why I chose it, and how you can use it, and whether I was able to stay under budget. And then I'll show you how to enter the giveaway at the end. So let's dive into this box. First, if you've not heard of Daiso, it is a Japanese dollar store. Similar to Dollar Tree, but all imported Japanese items. And their main price is $2.25. So a little bit higher. I think Dollar Tree is now like $1.75, but they were in the process of raising their prices while I was there. So I don't know what they'll go to, but so a little bit more higher end, but some really interesting things. So for this store, my idea was to make a mini journal. So I started when I found this adorable little mini journal. This was going to be, my theme for the store, because I know people love making minis and everything mini is so popular now. So I found this journal. It's super adorable. It just has like gridded paper and a little ribbon bookmark here. So I thought that would be a cute base for everything else. And at this store, I did try to look for more tools and supplies that you can use in an ongoing manner and set up your desk so you can make lots of junk journals in the future, not just like one-time use items. So I did grab this cute mini stapler. I don't know if you guys have watched my other videos. I love stapling, especially I'll grab like some ribbon or some lace and I use the stapler to staple that to the top of my tags instead of looping it through the holes. Stapling's great. You can also use it to attach things to the edges. Super handy. You got 1,000 staples here in this cute little pink stapler, so that will last you a long time. I got a pair of scissors. These are adorable. It's like a Gerber daisy and a little bear peeking out. And it's a nice case to keep your scissors in so the points don't poke anything like in your kit or your bag. Super adorable. And these little scissors are great for doing fussy cuts. You can use them for cutting long things too. But since it's a mini journal, I was thinking you would have mostly small things you'd be cutting. So I got the small scissors. Now, guys, you probably don't need this, but if this is the cutest protractor I've ever seen, it is so tiny. And if you like to draw circles or make curved things, these are super handy to have. So you can see it's not even as big as the page. So it will fit here. If you want to draw a curve, use this and then cut out the page so the page has like a curved edge. If you want to do 2 halves and make a circle, it's just super handy. If you do Zentangling or anything like that, these are super handy to have to help you get a nice smooth circle. So I included that. I got some pink, it's called Cherry Blossom Pink masking tape. This is great. It's basically like washi tape, but masking tape, not like washi tape, is not made to come off. So don't put it for things you want to do temporary, but it's good for a nice permanent hold, taping things down to the journal, making hinges and flips. That'd be super great. So masking tape. Let's see. I got another tool. I got a compact punch. This is a hole punch, just like our regular ones with the long handles, but this is super tiny and mini. It can fit in a tiny little bag. And just take it with you, and you can punch holes, and then you can use, if you punch holes in something, then you can just tie something through it to make it, bind it into a journal. It's handy to have, especially also if you're doing a lot of tags. This can punch the hole in the top of your tags for you. And look how adorable it is. And these are solid metal. Like, this is a heavy duty tool. It's not going to break on you, but so compact. All right, then we needed something fun and decorative. They had so many mini stamps. I was there for a while trying to decide which ones to get, but I ended up getting this cute little house and this little kind of, I don't know if it's like a food truck or something. It's super cute. And then you would need stamp pads. So I got this set of 4 stamp pads and thought that these would just be cute for decorating the pages. And then I grabbed a pen. This is a Uniball 1 0.7 millimeter pen in pink, because we're kind of doing a lavender and pink theme here. I love the Uniball pens. I use them all the time. I haven't used this kind before. This is cute. They have a lot of specialty pens at Daiso, but this is a great one. And it's compact, so it would fit in like a small bag if you want to do like a mini junk journaling session. All right, they got me with all the cute stickers, so I hope the glare's not bad for you guys. But these are super cute. There's a little kitty cat with like a little candy, and then a lollipop, and let's see. And there's some cotton candy, and they're just super adorable. Oh my gosh. And on the back, here's like a circle with a kitty cat holding a lollipop. Super duper cute stickers to add to your journal. And then I've got these dimensional lavender glitter heart stickers. Super fun for adding bling to your journal and a little bit of dimension and texture. And you really only need like 1 or 2 per journal. So sheets like this can last you a really long time. All right, the pile's getting big here. You guys, I got a lot because there's so much cute stuff there, and I didn't even break the surface of the amount of cute stuff there. It's insane. If you get a chance to go to Daiso, definitely go. Our nearest one used to be like hours away. I'm so glad we have one here. All right, binder clips. These are perfect. They help you hold your journal open while you're working. Let's see here. Well, I won't tear into them. I want to give you guys everything new, so I won't tear into them. But clip it on your page or even across the center spine. Put a clip in the middle, and that holds it open for you. If you're binding your own journal, clips are very handy to hold your signatures together so that you can poke the holes and stitch them into the cover. So very handy. There's 7 of these in here. They're lavender. There's like a tan, a white, a pink. These are super cute. Very handy. And then I grabbed some double-sided tape. This is a great option, a less messy option than glue when you're adding things to a journal. And this is a huge roll, so you can just use those cute little scissors and cut off little pieces. And then you peel off the backing paper, and then you can stick things into your journal. And what are you going to stick in your journal? Let me show you what I got. I've got these adorable little message cards. They're in kind of a peach. They have a gold embossed phrase in French on the side here, just a tiny bit. But it's just a really pretty peach card. And I thought these would make great flips for your journal. Or, you know, something really pretty to put on the page. But if you use some of this masking tape, which I've lost in the pile of goodness here, seriously. Ha! I found it. Masking tape. Put it half on this edge and lay it on the edge here. And then flip your page over and fold the tape onto this side. Right? So then when you get to this page, you have this pretty card that flips out and you can hide something underneath. You have extra journaling space here. It's super handy. You can also do top flips like that. All right, and then what else do we have for the journal? I've got these super cute little mini envelopes. They're kind of an ombre, like green to peachy pink color. They're really pretty faint pattern on them. And it's kind of like a coin envelope style. So these already have flaps on them, and if you saw the Dollar Tree video, I showed you how to do coin envelopes with flaps. So anything with flaps, you just open it up and you'll glue the flap onto this back page, and this page, it will become a flip, which is super handy and fun and interactive. And then I also got a pack of paper here so that you can cut out pieces to fit into the journal and collage in. It's 50 sheets of paper. And this is a really pretty like triangle print, ombre from like green to blue, but this comes in several color combinations. So we've got purple and pink, yellow and pink, yellow and green, green and blue, purple and blue and green. So it's a really pretty design, and you can add this to your pages, collage it down and do a whole page of pretty color. There's all kinds of things you can do with this. And then one last cute stickery thing I got was these cute faux wax seals. These are in a nice metallic silver color. There's floral prints with flowers. This side says "for you." This would be great to decorate a page. You can stick them in there. If it's for you, it'd be great to wrap this up as a present and close it with a piece of ribbon and then seal it with one of these "for you" stickers if you're giving it as a gift. That'd be super cute. I just love wax seals. I stick them in my journals all over the place. They're awesome to have, but these sticker ones are great because they're flexible, they won't break, and they already have adhesive on the back. So that is everything I got at Daiso. I did give myself a $40 budget, and I only went slightly over the budget. I spent $40.50 there on all of this before taxes. And honestly, if you're new starting junk journaling, you don't need all this stuff, but I couldn't resist. You definitely could have got out there for $20 or $30 and had plenty of stuff. But I just kind of went crazy there. So many things. So before you go, I just want to say thank you guys again for all your support this year, from being here, watching my videos, putting comments on the videos. I really appreciate it. And, you know, going to my website and buying my printable kits and whatnot. But just hanging out with me on YouTube has been so much fun. You know, this is a great community we have here. So if you'd like to enter this week's giveaway for this awesome box of goodness, then you just need to go to the comment section and leave me a comment and tell me, what is your favorite recycled item to put in a junk journal? Whether it's envelopes, old business envelopes, that brown packing paper that comes in all the Amazon boxes, or whatever. Let me know what your favorite recyclable to put into junk journals is. And that will get you entered into the giveaway. This giveaway is open to U.S. residents only. It closes on Christmas, Thursday, December 25th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. The winner will be chosen using a random comment picker and will be announced in a pinned comment on this video on Friday, December 26th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is also when the last giveaway video goes live. So you might want to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next giveaway, but it's not required to enter. If you are the winner, please make sure you email me within 72 hours with your address so I can get this box mailed out to you. So all the official rules and details are listed in the description below. Thank you guys for letting me be part of your creative journey, and I will see you next week for the very last giveaway. Goodbye.